Hey foodies, I'm sharing my top tips for eating healthy on a budget. Tip the runner 1. Plan your meals. Take some time each week to plan out your meals, make a grocery list, and stick to it. This will help you avoid last-minute takeout and reduce food waste. Tip the runner 2. Shop smart. Look for sales, buy in bulk, choose seasonal products. You can also use cashback apps and coupons to save more money. Tip number 3. Cook in bulk. Cooking large batches of rice, beans, and grains can save you time and also money. Plus, you can freeze leftovers for later. Tip number 4. Shop at local markets. Local markets will give you the fresh products and also the seasonal ones. And you're also supporting your local community. Tip number 5. Use affordable protein sources. Beans, lentils, eggs, canned tuna are all great options that will never break your bank. Eating healthy on a budget is totally possible. It's all about planning, shopping smart, cooking in bulk, local shopping, using affordable sources. Happy cooking results in healthy eating. Don't forget to follow me for more healthy tips.